Hello guys, welcome to PTK. My name is Kartik and now I'm going to teach you some more functions in tuples. As I said in the last session, tuples are immutable. That means not changeable. So I said some functions of tuples at the last session. Let me teach you more functions in tuples. So now we are going to learn about min and max. Let's go. Let me create a list, tuple name num. Keep this tuple name and keep equal. We should keep parentheses. Parentheses means circular brackets. So I'm going to write 1, 4, 4, 8, 2. So I want to check which is the smallest number. But how? We use the min function. Like in list, it's saying first we should keep the print, then keep min, parentheses, and what we want to check? That's right, num. Let me print max now this time. Parentheses, then give. Now, so let me execute it and see what is going to happen. So when we print in min function, 1 was the smallest number in the tuple. And we use the math function and which is the biggest number? It's 8. So now I'm going to teach you about count function. It's same like list. I'll show you. First keep print, then keep the list name, tuple name, that's num. Keep dot and keep count, count, and keep parentheses, and I want to count 4. If I print this, it becomes 2. So this is how we do. And next, count is one of the tuple methods. So now I'm going to tell you about updating tuples. At the last class, we updated elements. That means it's changeable. Lists are changeable. But tuples are not changeable. So, for example, I'm going to update this tuple. Every time, it will cast an error. Let me write it and show you. First, keep the tuple name num and use square bracket. I wanted to actually change 2. We can't simply give 2. 8 comes 4. We should give the index. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I give 4 equal to, and I'm going to write 123, and afterwards when I print num, it comes an error. But why? It is the answer because tuples are not changeable. So we can't do this. But we can update tuples by using this syntax. Let me demonstrate. First, we should make a tuple name. Let me keep num equal to parentheses, and I'm going to keep 1, 5, 2, 8. So then let me give another tuple, that is num, and I'm going to give it is 1, 4, 2, 8. Afterwards, If I want to make a new tuple, it is tuple 3. First, let me write sub 3, that means tuple 3, then keep equal. Then keep num first, then keep plus, then give num. After that, when I print top 3, it comes. You have any idea? If I execute it, it comes 1, 5, 2, 8. That's from num, and 1, 4, 2, 8. Now I'm going to tell you about indexes. In list, I said you how to use the index. So even in tuples, we can even use index. First, we should use print. Then you took the tuple name, that is num. Then use square brackets as if for index, and I'm going to keep 1. If I print executed, it came 5 because this is 0 and this is the first in tuples. Now I'm going to teach you delete and remove. First, let me teach you about delete function. First, let me first print num. And what does it come? Comes 1, 5, 2, 8. Yes, right? Then I keep delete. The function delete. As we did in list, delete is even also in tuples. If I delete, I'll keep num. When I print num, let's see what has happened. It casts an error because you have any idea why it came? That's correct. Because it got deleted. It deleted from the computer's memory. So we use this delete function. So now let me tell you about remove. I'll show you how to do it. First, so delete and remove are same. So sorry for that noise. So now I'm going to teach you how to convert tuples into lists so that you can append these all. First, I want to change. Now, first, let us check if it's there. It's 1, 5, 2, 8. So next, second, to convert it. To do that, first we should check which type is num. So let me write num. I mean type of it. Then you parentheses and keep num. So if I printed, it came the class of tuples. Now how to create? Let me give a list name as list1. Then keep equal to and let us keep list because we're converting into a list. This is a function we use to change. Then now afterwards we give and parentheses and check what we want to change. That is num, right? Num. After that, we should let us print list 1 came class list because list 1, if I print it, it comes 1, 5, 2, 8. Then we can use other, we can do anything we want, append. I'm going to teach you again how to reverse it back into a tuple. It's just the opposite we did to now. First, so we did like this, right? So let us give as tuple1, num, then take 1 equal to, then give tuple, because that's even a function we use. Then give parentheses, then keep list 1. Again, let me print the type of num. I think you're thinking it will come 1, 2, 1, 5, 2, 8. So it came a class tuple because we changed it into a tuple. So this is the end of a class. And for now, wait, I'm going to tell you about the syntaxes. I'll use syntaxes in the description box below. So, if you didn't understand, please go through syntaxes given in the description box below. And please subscribe and like if you like. For now, bye bye. So let us meet at the next